3. Roast chicken. To make roast chicken, you will need the following ingredients. A whole chicken, about 1.5 to 2 kilograms. Salt and pepper to taste. Olive oil or butter to taste. Aromatic herbs to taste, rosemary, thyme, sage, etc. Here are the steps to prepare roast chicken. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Wash your hands well and clean the chicken well, removing any feathers and inedible parts. Dry the chicken well with kitchen paper. Season the chicken with salt and pepper inside and out. Brush the chicken with olive oil or melted butter and sprinkle with the chopped herbs. Place the chicken on a greased or parchment-lined baking sheet and place in the preheated oven. Bake the chicken for about 1.5 hours, basting the skin with its own fat every 30 minutes, until it is browned and the meat is tender. Remove the chicken from the oven and let it rest for at least 10 minutes before slicing and serving. I recommend using a cooking thermometer to check that the internal temperature of the chicken is at least 74 degrees Celsius before serving. This way, you can be sure the chicken is cooked enough and safe to eat. Here are some useful tips to prepare a perfect roast chicken. Choose a good quality and well-fresh chicken. A quality chicken will have tastier and juicier meat. Dry the chicken well before cooking. A well-dried chicken will cook more evenly and the skin will become crispier. Season the chicken with salt and pepper inside and out. This way, the chicken will have a more intense flavor in every bite. Use herbs to flavor chicken. Rosemary, thyme, sage and garlic are all great options. Dousing the skin of the chicken with its own fat as it cooks will help keep it tender and crispy. Use a cooking thermometer to check that the chicken is cooked through. The internal temperature should be at least 74 degrees Celsius. Let the chicken rest for at least 10 minutes before cutting and serving. This way, the meat will be more tender and juicy.